Hey guys, this is another very big update. This is for those who cannot do survey, but you can make money from it. This token is actually 20 is worth 20 naira for one, and it is easy. You can accumulate up to 1,000 to 2,000 to 3,000 to 10,000 if you take it serious in 1 month or 2 months, right? So this is, if you click on the link, I just want to show you the steps to register. If you click on the link, this is the link of the person that introduced me. This thing have been sent to me since, but I didn't take it serious. Today I just said let me go back to the person's DM, and I checked and I watched the video and all that, and I got to realize that I've been missing a fortune for a very long time now. So as you click on the link that I'm going to send, they will show you download app to get 50 VeryChat tokens, right? This token is just coming up, right? It's not everywhere now, so this is the best time to claim more. So you install. So if it finishes installing, I'll continue with the video. And boom, it has finished installing. So within few seconds it just finished installing. So you go ahead and open it to register. Right, you go ahead, open it to register, approve permission, and go ahead, continue, allow. Okay, continue with Google, agree to yeah, I agree, and okay, it's bringing me back. Okay, what would you like to be called? You put your name there. Let me see if this will go. Confirm. Okay, please create your ID. I'll use Sajay. ID is already in use. Okay, ID underscore. Okay, Sajay underscore Sa underscore J. Okay, I use this. So before you continue, you have to click on these things. See, required. Click on them. Let them mark good, and you continue. And referral ID is already there, so I'm not changing it. And that's it. Boom. So all you need to do is come back here and start mining. Right? You start mining. That's all. Every 12 hours you have to come back and mine. Right? And you have to be consistent in mining it before you can sell this token. Now you can sell it in the P2P market, and it is worth 20 naira for one. It is worth 20 naira for one. So all you need to do is to be coming back here, consistently mining it every 12 hours, or at least every day for at least 30 days, and you qualify for KYC, because before you withdraw you have to do your KYC first, and by the time you qualify for KYC, you withdraw, you see it in your wallet. And then I just started, that's why my wallet is not opening, and then you'll be able to sell. There is market already for you to sell, right? So that is it, bro. You can boost your mining. And the rest of them. So just go ahead and register. We'll bring you more update on this.